Hello.
So, what do we have in today's exhibition?
So we have tableware, jewelry, loungewear for kids, casual wear, ethnic wear, and chanya cholis in different patterns.
Okay, so how many brands do we have for chanya cholis here?
I guess 3 to 4.
Okay, for ethnic?
Ethnic 2.
Wonderful. And where are we exactly? How many days is this for?
We are at Beyond Gallery, that's opposite ITC Narmada. We are here from the 29th to 30th, that's today and tomorrow. And we will be here from 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m.
Wonderful. So let's explore the collection.
Sure. Join.
અમારી પાસે આ ટાઈપના ચણિયા છે જેમાં 12 થી 14 મીટરનો ફ્લેર આવશે. ચંદેરી સિલ્કનું મટીરિયલ રહેશે. એમાં અલગ અલગ કલર કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ જશે. અધરવાઇઝ અમારી પાસે પ્લેનમાં બી છે.
Okay.
કલર ઓપ્શનમાં બી છે.
All right. So basically, તમારા પાસે color options ઘણા બધા છે. I can
બધા
see.
છે. કસ્ટમાઇઝમાં તો બધું થઈ જશે.
Wonderful.
યસ.
Look at this. It looks like a rainbow gathering of chanya cholis over here. અને એ લોકો સ્ટિચિંગ પણ કરી આપે છે.
This is Raya. We have collection for Navratri, which has modern touch with our traditional embroidery. We have halter necks.
Okay.
We also have something in traditional.
All right. Wow.
Also, we do have men's kurta. These all are
Okay.
customizable in any color. So
Wonderful.
you can visit us today and tomorrow.
Thank
And
you.
follow us also.
This
Hello.
is a cocktail dress.
Okay.
You can wear in any parties or loungewear and dinners.
Okay. Wonderful.
These all are also semi-casuals.
Okay.
These all are in pastels. Some of the cords.
All right.
This is festive wear.
Okay.
This is again a cord set.
All
These
right.
are all one pieces.
Wonderful.
The brand name is Khushi and we have quirky print sarees for your day-to-day wear as well as office wear. So we have different options in that as well. Linen sarees are also there. Then we have short tops. Then it can be useful for your casual wear.
Okay.
Then we have quirky print shirts,
All right.
perfect for your vacations. Then we have quad sets. Different kinds of quad sets we have. We have huge collection of indigo prints,
Okay.
dresses. So that we have. Apart from that, we have embroidered quad sets as well.
All right.
So different colors are available, sizes are available. We have whites. These are on pure khadi.
Brand name is Garangi. We have a huge collection of German silver pieces. So we have right from basic, something like this, to something a little more chunky like this, something in long as well. So these are options in fusion. These are dual tone options, casual options which you can team up with your daily wear, something just as a neck piece like this as well. We have lots of options in chokers as well. Earrings were options. These are all very lightweight on the ears. You can aram se play garba with them or wear them casually. These are fusion options in earrings. Again, very lightweight. We have a huge collection of finger rings. Again, all adjustable, so they'll easily fit any ring size. And bracelets as well.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Hi. So we have options in loungewear for kids. We have with full pants as well. We have options in short pants as well. These are from 6 months to 9 years age groups. We have lots of options in prints. And these are imported fabrics, so they won't fade or shrink even after, several uses as well.
Thank you. Then here we have something in chanya cholis as well. Look at this beautiful range. There are so many colors. એમના પાસે જે નોર્મલ ઓમ્બ્રે શેડેડમાં તમારે જોઈએ તો પણ ચણિયા મળી જશે. લેટ્સ સે કે તમારે મલ્ટિપલ શેડ્સમાં જોઈએ તો યુ કેન સી દેર ઇઝ ગ્રીન, દેન દેર ઇઝ પીચ એન્ડ દેન દેર ઇઝ પિંક. આવા મલ્ટિપલ શેડ્સમાં પણ ચણિયા છે. થોડાક હેવી ચણિયા જોઈએ તો વિન્ટેજ બોર્ડર સાથે પણ છે અને એમના પાસે તમને અનસ્ટિચ્ડ મટીરિયલ પણ મળી જશે બ્લાઉઝમાં, એટલે તમે તમારી રીતે કસ્ટમાઇઝ કરાવી શકો છો. એન્ડ ઓલ્સો ધીઝ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ વિન્ટેજ દુપટ્ટાસ. સો બેસિકલી ધીસ પર્ટિક્યુલર બ્રાન્ડ હેઝ એવરીથિંગ ફ્રોમ નોર્મલ ચણિયા ચોલીઝ ટુ હેવી વન્સ.
Brand name is Table Toes. We have a huge collection of Punjabi juttis. These are double cushion juttis, so they won't give you shoe bites. We have western options, ethnic options as well. Then there are options with heels. There are these kind of heel options as well. Sizes sab mein mil jayenge and they are very comfortable to wear. We have slings and clutches as well. Again, these are all handwork, so great for evening wear. Then these are extra homeware products. These are from Thailand. These are with vegetable dyes, so the print won't come off. It's completely leak proof, microwave safe, very good option for gifting as well. And ये सारा NASA approved है, so आपको there's absolutely nothing to worry in terms of hygiene. These are sets also that we have. इस पे offers भी है right now, so you can come visit us to know more.
થેન્ક યુ.
Welcome.